are pleased to show you the 2013 Audi S6. When it comes to creating the benchmark in luxury and performance, the Audi S6 stands alone. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, compass, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.